Okay, they gotta think you're a bird, so you gotta have some red and wings. I don't think this is so good. My head's kind of little, and I'm red, and my wings, so yeah. Well, who cares? They're still gonna think it's you. Oh, I think that's my friend Terrence. Terrence, who is this? The SML tarantula? It is me, the Terrence. I am visiting from Mexico, so yeah. Okay, so we're gonna destroy the pigs. Guys, there's a pig. There's a pig already. Or a pig. I will defeat the pig Yankee. Hehehe, piggy time. Piggy. Dad, stop it! Piggy, yes. Well, he's dead. Well, we need to run before more of them come. Okay, is it me or am I seeing piggy. Run. I'll go get him, guys. Wait, this way.
Yeah. You're so funny.
Okay, I guess we're gonna have to ditch Terrence. Come on, let's go. My plan is going great. I just grab those piggies, I'll turn them into pig food. Oh yeah, so delicious. To be continued. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to Plush Franks, Broken Organ, and Creeper Face. Tell us in the comments, do you think the McDonald's toys for these guys are derpy or not? See ya.